Hi there, students. To slumber as a verb, or slumber a noun, or even sometimes as a countable noun, slumbers. Let's see, to slumber means to sleep. Okay, it's just a more formal literary word, a descriptive word for to sleep. So after a good night's slumber, I felt fully refreshed. After a really good lunch, he slumbered in the armchair for an hour or two. My slumber was interrupted by a loud noise. You can also use slumber to mean that something is dormant, in a state of inactivity, calm. So, for example, the volcano slumbered for 500 years before erupting. Or maybe talking about an economy, the evil of inflation has been slumbering for the past few years, but now it is starting to have an effect on our economy. I think this word slumber is most commonly seen in the phrase a slumber party. A slumber party is something that older kids, 10, 11, 12, 13, have, where one or several friends go to one of their houses and they spend the night together there. Yeah? So they mess around and they do things. It's called a slumber party. This is, I think, a more American concept. So let's see. Notice to slumber, a regular verb. He slumbered for many hours. And the origin, well, this comes from Old English, sluma, to sleep, which originally then comes from Old Scots or Northern English, sloom, talking about sleep or doze. Yeah? So, to slumber. It's a literary word. It sounds maybe a little bit more formal, although I'd probably give it a 6 out of 10 in formality. You could use it in the pub, but I think I might say sleep or doze or kip or something like that. But if you're writing an essay or something like that, slumber is a great word to use instead of sleep. The Sleeping Beauty slumbered for 100 years before the prince kissed her and she woke up. Okay? So to slumber, to sleep, or something that is dormant, that is not having any effect, is in a state of inactivity. So they started this project a long time ago, but then they stopped it, and it's been slumbering ever since. Okay? So there we go. Another word for to sleep. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. To slumber.